Today I will tell you the 3 biggest lies about meditation. Number 1, Guru. Shiv Sutras Shiva never told about Guru. Patanjali has not told about the Guru in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. How do I explain this to you guys? Baba Ramdev teaches you the Yoga of Patanjali. You have never seen Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. You people run after Hawa Baba. I have nothing to say in this. But one thing, meditation has nothing to do with the Guru. There is no relation between Guru and meditation. Meditation requires patience and practice. If you run after the Guru, then you will be like Eklavya. Whatever you learn, you will also be lost. Number 2. Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini Shakti is not sexual energy. It is the form of consciousness which runs down. Around 90% of your mind keeps thinking about sex, so you feel like it is just physical energy. You people have made it mental. It is not a hindrance to meditation. Every Mahayogi great man is not against it. Watch history and learn. Kundalini is your own consciousness. That's why it never harms you. Keep this in mind. Number 3. Brahmacharya means talking about Brahma all the time, and Brahma has to be discussed. It has nothing to do with sexual energy. Brahmacharya means to think about that Supreme Lord Brahma all the time and talk about him. A lie that shook the world. You people can follow celibacy even after living together as husband and wife. You can do it, you can follow it. I already told you sex is physical energy. When it is needed, you can use it. Do not associate it with meditation. Who is associated with him will not be successful. Get out of this illusion. Today I told 3 lies about yoga. In the next video, I will bring 3 truths of yoga. Subscribe the channel. Do not forget to like and comment. Om Namah Shivaya.